Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to read candlesticks on Robinhood. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, here we are in the Robinhood Learning Center or Learning Blocks. And basically here, you will have everything that you will need to know about candlesticks and how to read them here in Robinhood, of course. And basically here, as you can see, this is the form of a candlestick. So you will see a green candlestick and the red one. The rising price or the rising green candlestick means that the price are rising. And basically you will see in a candlestick it has like the core or the body, and basically you will see also the shadow lines. And basically here, if we go to this part or this paragraph, you will see how you can read a candlestick and what it has. And basically each candlestick chart illustrates several trading days. And basically, in the candlestick charts, you will find several trading days of prices, and you will see the highest point price that has been rejected and the lowest point. And here we can see uh, that a typical line chart will show you the closing price of each day or the open price of each day. And basically, this part or the latest uh, line would be the open line, and for here it will be the close, and it is the inverse in this falling prices, etc. And also you can see that each candlestick will have also the shadows that are these black lines, and the lines are just provide informations about the highest price or the prices that has been rejected while trading. And basically that means that people went to buy at these prices or sell at these prices, but they got rejected, or it's the opposite here in the lowest prices. And basically in Robinhood, if you want to go and see the candlestick, you will need just to go here and go to the advanced in the charts and just change your chart from a line chart to a candlestick, and then you can start reading the candlestick. And of course, you can start zoom in the candlestick by narrowing your day or whatever you would like. And basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.